Mrs. Ruto, why don't you get in the bubble?
This is Ruto. President's wife.
All right, eyes here. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Everyone.
That's spoken word. Excluding relation to this. And so we just launched it online about my father.
Yes, sir.
Officially, why can't we just come here and pay the respects, but know that we have